Welcome back to the channel, everyone. A couple years ago we did a video on building this deer skinning rack, and we've used it probably 4 or 5 times since then, but every time we went to film something, we were out of power, we were working with flashlights, something happened, or I was filming by myself, didn't have any help, so we didn't do it. But my son got a nice buck yesterday, Thanksgiving morning, so we're going to show you how this deer skinning rack works out. And the reason we use it, because we take our deer to a butcher and he doesn't have the facilities and the room to skin them himself, to hang them. He's a one-man operation in his shop, so we have to have them skinned and cleaned up. We take it to him and he does all his stuff. So that's why we skin them. And these racks here are similar to what the professionals use, only theirs are steel and on casters. So we just built this out of wood, and it really saves a lot of time, gives us a better job. So we're going to show you how it works.
So it's Thanksgiving morning, just shot a buck. We're gonna go get him. Just keep watching. I don't know. Do something else.
You can do better than that.
I don't have anything. I got a deer. So it's Thanksgiving morning. I had a couple does walk by and they took off running, and a couple seconds later had a nice buck walk by and took a shot at him. So we just found him. We're gonna go drag him out right now. Good enough? Way back here. It's going to be up this way.
Yep, there he is up there. Oh, that's a nice buck.
Yeah.
How many points? 8 point.
I got a deer. That was a nice looking deer.
Yeah, pretty good. You shot him on the opposite side?
Yeah, back over here. Didn't leave a whole lot of blood.
He's tall. Yeah, long legs.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go warm the truck up. When you get up there, I'll help you throw them in.
Okay. I got a deer.
Okay, this really isn't a deer skinning video. There's a lot of other videos out there on YouTube that do a lot better job than we can. But this just shows you how this rack works. We're going to get started on it, but it holds it nice and stable. We used to always do it while it's hanging from the gambrel, and it's always spinning around, it's bouncing around. So this here works real good.
I got a deer.
Okay, now we can pick it back up on the hoist and just start skinning it. So this rack works pretty good. It was cheap to build. We had all the scrap lumber laying around. So it saves a lot of time, does a nicer job. So we're gonna hang it up. Yeah, this propane torch works good for burning up any loose hair. You usually end up with some around where you cut the legs off, a little bit right on here in the chest cavity. And the shot on this went right between the last, second, and third rib, caught the back of the lungs.
I got a deer.
Probably should have been up a little bit farther, but it was a moving deer in the woods. But it was dead in about 30 seconds, so nice sized buck. Anyway, thanks for watching.